I'm off, guys. So guys, we're here at Compadres Mall. Kasama ko si Carmina. Saan ba yung asa man dahil itong Compadres Mall C6? Nasuga. So nabudol pa si Carmina. Nice umbrella. Hi. Hi. So guys, ngayon po ay papunta kami ng honey house. Excuse me. Okay. Hi guys. So guys, nandito na po kami sa bahay and let's do a quick unboxing. So asa to?
Si Click.
Quick.
Oh.
So we're going to
Going on the trip.
So we're going to have a quick unboxing. Kahit
Wah!
feeling mo pa siya. Wow! Me and my... Oh!
Me and my budol.
Guys, ito po yung nakuha ko. This silk sleepwear. Ooh. 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 Wow. So, magta-try on din ako nito. So cute. Sa rose gold color. Rose gold. And next one, I got this gray silk sleepwear. Wow! Ay, ang ganda niya. Gusto ko siya. Yan, diba? Ang ganda din ng material niya, guys. Super ganda. And the pajama. See? Ang ganda. thing that I got is this, yung uso na copper mask that kills 99% of germs. Ang ganda din nito. And I see almost mga artists sa Pinas, like they use this mask. And my friend also recommended me to buy this. It comes with 10 filter. Yung ano niya, yung ito. Akala ko kasi mabibili lang siya sa Pinas. So, nakita ko na may nagbebenta din pala dito sa Guam. So, pinili ko na. Wow! So, ito yung guide niya. At saka may iba-ibang style siya, guys. The number 1 style is the original. And the second style is the army style. At saka yung pangatlo is wildcats. And for the fourth one is create your own style. So, let's open. This is the one. Okay. Like copper mask. Wala akong nakikitang logo. Ay, sticker siya. May pa-sticker. May pa-sticker pa po. Sticker pala. Hindi ko alam. Paul, tabangi ko, Pulbi. Saan man eh? Like, nice sticker siya. I already finished assembling it. Adjustable. So guys, this is the copper mask version 2. So guys, yun po ang aking nabili. May nabili din ako, shoutout kay Ate Clara. May nabili din ako sa kanya. It's yeah, skincare pa rin kasi naupusan ako. And I really need to take care of my skin kasi love you guys po. Breakout. Shout out pala kay Ate Clara. Thank you, Ate Clara. $20 lang sa kanya, guys. So, go na. Kasi doon ako sa first na binili ko na clear bag is $30. So, mahal-mahal siya. So, doon tayo sa mura. Diba? Makakasave pa tayo ng $10. Anyway, so yun lang lahat. Thank you guys so much for watching, and maybe next week yung day 4 and 5 of my vlogmas. Kasi I'm so busy this week. I have work, you know guys, and I have no time to vlog and edit. So I hope you guys understand. And yes, I need to take care of my skin kasi alam niyo naman. Oh, pangit na po. Pangit naman talaga. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button below, and don't forget to share it to your friends kasi may plan din ako na magpapag-giveaway ako soon. So, stay tuned guys, and always be updated sa mga social media accounts ko. I'll just link down it below. So, thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys on my next vlogmas. Stay safe. Bye.
So I decided to do a quick vlog just to share you something.
Hi! Ate! I forgot the clear balm yung...
Fiber, beauty tip.
Oo.
Beauty.
Say hi to my vlog!
Already beauty.
Yeah, I forgot! Hi! Say hi to my vlog! I forgot. Sabi ni Ate Clara na...
Pumili ka sa kanya.
Oo.
First time?
Oo.
What did you forget?
I forgot the one that I've... Hi, Kuya. Nagpa-vlog ako eh. Yay! Yay! Thank you! Bye! Stay safe! Bye! So guys, Ate Clara, nakuha ko na Ate Clara. So guys, we're here at GPO Mall. Di pa ata tapos yung vlogmas ko. Anyway, I'll insert this. Kasi na. We're here.